Do you want to be a part of $200 billion industry? You know what happened after COVID? Most of the retail stores got shut down. Most of the business owners which were hesitant to go online were forced to go online. Most of the consumers' shopping habits have been changed forever. Most of the people who were more about shopping domestic, going to the retail shop, they were forced to buy online, do the first transaction, and from there on they have never looked back. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you the right way to start your online business in India and how you can make the right choice from the beginning to scale your own products online. Now let me talk to you about online business. Online business, especially in the e-commerce sector, is booming like crazy. It has projected to be a $200 billion market by 2026. Now, as a beginner or as a person who's just wanting to start online business, what is your option? So I'll tell you in a nutshell. If you have been following the series of Shark Tank that has literally exploded India with the complete knowledge of how to do valuation, how to get venture capital, how to start your own brands, different ideas, and all that good stuff. Now let me tell you, there are two ways to sell online. Number one is called D2C. Another way is called marketplace. Now what is D2C? D2C means direct to customer. And D2C means that having your own website, getting your own customers, and then selling your products right from your website to the customer. The second option is called marketplace. Marketplace model means Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, all these websites, Nykaa, all these people actually, you need to be registered as a seller with them, and then you can sell the products through their platform. So the customer that you're delivering the products is not your customer, it is Amazon's customer, it is Nykaa's customer, it's Meesho's customer, not your customer. In D2C, it is your customer, it is your platform, everything is yours, right? So these are two parts and two ways to do e-commerce business. Either you start your own website and do D2C, or you do marketplace model. Now let's talk about each of these things. Both of these things, you require three things to do in your e-commerce business. Without that, e-commerce business cannot be done. Number one is a product. You need a product to sell in any of these things. You do D2C or you do the website, any of these, you need your product. Number two, you need traffic. Without traffic, nothing could sell, right? If there are no visitors coming on your website or on the marketplace, how would you sell the product, right? So you need traffic. And number three is conversions. So when the traffic is coming to your website and they are not buying anything, it doesn't help you. It is a waste of money. Even on Amazon or Flipkart, when the people are coming to your listing and they are not buying, there is no conversion happening, there is no sale happening. So it is not helping you any which ways. So three things required in e-commerce: product, traffic, conversions. Now let's talk about both pros and the cons of D2C and Amazon or marketplaces. Now if you're starting a D2C brand, you need to buy, first of all, you need to build a website. Then you also need to buy traffic. How do you buy traffic? You run ads on Google, you run on Facebook, you do WhatsApp marketing, you sell, you give it to your friends, ask them to visit to your website and buy. So when you're doing heavy advertisement, let's say for Facebook, Google, you need to pay a lot of money to these websites to get the traffic from their website to your website. And then you need to take care of conversions. Let's say 1,000 people are coming to your website every single day after running ads. Are they buying your product? If they are not buying your product, then it's a big problem, right? Then you need to figure it out why they are not buying. Then once they buy, you need to fulfill the order. You need a shipping courier partner to ship the order. And then you also need to take care of returns and customer support. That's the idea of D2C. Very profitable, but there are so many steps to that. Let's talk about the marketplace model. Same thing. Here, the benefit is you don't need to buy the traffic. Exactly, you don't need to buy a traffic. Traffic is already there. Amazon is doing hundreds and thousands of advertisement every single day to get a lot of traffic to their website. So they already have a lot of traffic. All you need to do and focus on is having an amazing product, having a right listing, understanding the algorithm, and with the right price point, you can sell a lot. So you don't need to pay for traffic, and you just need to focus on conversions, right? Returns, shipping, everything is taken care by Amazon or any other website. So now the real question is, where should I go? Like, should I start with D2C or should I not start with D2C? Should I start with Amazon? You got to understand, when you're doing a marketplace model, there is a commission that the marketplace charges. Second disadvantage is you don't have the customer's detail. They are not your customer. They will never give you customer's address details. So they will make sure that they control the buyer. You are not, because they are paying for traffic. You are just a mediator fulfilling the goods. Now let's talk about how you can start. There are two stages. Depending on where you are, you'll decide what to start first. Now imagine if you are someone who don't have a lot of money. आपके पास सिर्फ 1 lakh rupees है, 2 lakh rupees है to start your business. In that scenario, you will first of all find a product, then you'll manufacture, or you'll import, you'll do anything to get the product, and there is a lot of money involved in that. Now, imagine if you have 2 lakh rupees, 1 lakh is for products, 1 lakh you're going to use, let's say, for building the website. Now, running ads is also an expensive affair. So if you run ads, and then when your product starts working, you again need a lot of products because you need a lot of working capital, right? So maybe when you start your website with a low investment, you start running you can run ads, and what could happen? Number one, a lot of money could get spent, but no conversion, you lost all the money. Second, you get a lot of conversions and you don't have working capital to buy more products. Again, there's a business loss. So that's again a big problem. Now, if you have a low investment, you start with marketplace. First of all, there's nothing much to lose. Why? You are not spending money for traffic. The traffic is already there on Amazon, right? So you don't worry about traffic. Now you have listed your products. All you focus on is running small advertisements on Amazon, making your product amazing, and then you get a lot of sales. Now in this, you have a lot of money for working capital. You can test your products before going to your website. You can test your products on Amazon because there is no fee to list your products on Amazon. If it works, very good. You got the validation, and you can also start with your website. So with small investments, you can start with Amazon or other marketplaces, get the ball rolling, get a lot of money made. Once you have good money coming in, your working capital is fixed, your products are validated, it's working very well. Now is the time to go to D2C. Now build your own website, buy traffic, get the conversions going, get the sales happening. Now you have two powerhouses after a point of time. Marketplace plus website is equal to amazing sales. Now imagine the vice versa. If you have a lot of money, you can start with D2C website directly. You have a lot of money to make the website, find real good guys who can run media ads, which is buying traffic from Facebook, Google, and then you can make a lot of sales because now you also have the working capital. Even if something goes wrong, no problem, because you still have the money to actually go back and correct your mistakes. So I think, in my opinion, if you are low on money, start with marketplaces, especially with Amazon, master one marketplace, and then go to another marketplace. Once you're doing at least, let's say, 5-7 lakhs, then you can start with your own website, and then together you can just create a gangbuster product and a brand. Alright, I hope you must have got an amazing knowledge and value as to what you need to start depending upon where you are in the stage of your career or finances. Let me know in the comments which one do you do or you prefer, D2C or marketplace model. And I'll see you in the next video.